why do you have to do that? And I'm gonna take you out. Write your shit down, Jimmy. I'm gonna take you out. I am gonna take you out. Huh? Don't make this enough. You can listen to what we're telling you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, welcome to the Thursday trading show. Okay. Welcome to the Thursday training show session. Today it seems a bit slow. I'm still trying to figure out what's happening here, where possibility of trades are, and in between I might bounce off. If there's nothing, I'll close the trade. I'll call you a day early. I have other things to do. I have Mondays to prepare, so I have OTPs to prepare as well. So, let's see, yeah, maybe if it comes back here. Honestly, I don't have any bias here. We have broken above. We are holding this 5 minutes break here. I don't have a bias, yeah. Nope, I don't have a bias, guys. I'll just be honest. We're at 50% already. We just at the 50% range. Hmm. Yeah, I don't have a bias. We're at 50% range of the AM session range, which is the easy 15 minutes for value gap, yeah. Perhaps, I don't know. This will be a draw of liquidity, but also the easy 5 minutes for value gap, yeah. Guys, I'm not gonna force this. I don't see anything. Personally, I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything, Boomerang. I'll be observing this time. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's see the moves here. 5 minute close below this low. Perhaps something might be. If it closes below here, leaves the fair value gap. I will wait for that move to come there to that draw of liquidity. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't close below here, and then I'm not gonna take it. Mm. Okay, man. Sometimes I'm just too focused. Okay, I think let's start, guys. Yeah, if you want me to be live while working, I can to look for trades, but honestly, there's nothing. There's nothing for me. That's why I'm just sitting, guys. Let me work. Maybe I'll have to have an early night. You know, sometimes you just have to look at your sign and just smile and let it go. Okay, I've just taken a trade, but that. Trumpo, stop that. Trumpo, stop that. Stop that. I have just taken a long trade. Um, I decided just to take it, yeah. Stop loss. So I've just decided to take this long trade. I've taken long on GBP CAD, long position, and it's coming from the fact that we have GBP CAD very bullish. We have GBP CAD bullish, and our H fund, even though it's giving a partial push, which is a 5 plus, but if it goes down by 1 point, then it becomes bearish. But I've taken long, and I'll also show you how the reason why I took it, and I think I did explain it. I don't need to explain it. But with that, you can also go to YouTube and follow me at Agora where there's more like of my newsletter. So I've taken it because if when you look at British pound, the trend is still bullish, following the trend. However, CO2 data we're buying, crowd sentiments, yes, it's still bearish, which I like. When crowd sentiments is bearish, I love going opposite that. PMI, CPI, and so inflation is still a bit. Look at the wrong thing. PMI only, yes. What tells us looking bullish as well, and then the rest are neutral. So just gonna hold this long. Could come all the way down to retest this low and then reverse. Hmm. I guess I'm gonna be patient Remember, the others were overstretched for us, but I just wanted to know what was happening today. Oh, my head is pounding. Today there was unemployment claims. We can look at that, but there's nothing interesting. Trump is talking. Okay. Oh, Trump is talking after market, after 11. There was nothing much. You have trade balance, final wholesale investors. There was nothing much. Okay. I'm gonna show you this. Just gonna go on YouTube, Facebook to show you this. Come on, don't tell me you want me to log in again. Yeah. So you can go on Facebook. So don't forget to like our Facebook as well. I'm just today I'm just a bit down, man. I think it's being tired. So on Facebook, if you go on our Facebook, you realize you can follow us there. Well, it's more like a newsletter. I publish everything on, I think. We can hear market update and trade ideas, AUDSD, GBP CAD, and JPY. So I did explain here why I take a trade. FOMC statement shows a slight dovish tone with inflation remaining very stable. The Fed highlighted that the labor market remains strong, which is why there are no immediate credit cards, blah, blah, blah. But however, the trade ideas I spoke of ADSD, which was bullish, but now it's a bit overstressed. I'm still going to look for a potential retest. But I spoke primarily now about GBP CAD and ZDJPY showing bullish setups waiting for adjustment to there to enter trade aligned with higher time frame buyers, which I spoke about this. So this is a setup that I spoke about on Facebook. On my newsletter, basically, show you that I'm looking for that support retracement. When it gets there, I will enter the trade. While also I'm looking for that support retracement as well, and then maybe I'll potentially enter the trade. So you can just jump on there as well. You'll get to understand why we take certain trades. But for now, I'm interested in China 50 as well. I've been watching China Shift 50 for a while. Oh, oh, perfect. I think I'm gonna execute China 50. Yeah, I have to execute China 50. Hold on. I did exactly what I wanted. Yeah. close above this high, so gonna execute China 50. So I'll be positioned on to trade. I'm gonna I'm gonna execute a large volume here. Okay. Oh, that's bad. Okay. I'm also long. I'm also long. I'm also long. The spread might be a problem. Yeah. You can't open like this. That's a huge spread. Anyway, I've just taken long. China 50. One could ask, why didn't I wait for a decisive candle closure? I was closely looking at that 4-hour time frame, so I've just taken longs here. I'm hoping this will be a holding point to start changing the fortunes for this. I know it's annoying, but yeah, I've just taken long again. And reason being, again, oh shucks. Reason being, we have we have China 50 bullish with trend seasonality. Retail, so I think the China economy is doing quite well, and I think there is a bit of stability in the world with China's doing quite well. I love just holding China 50 as well. So I've just taken the trade, looking at China indices. So I'm just positioned here now. Stop loss below there. Let's see how we roll. Question is, will we be below and then we'll start moving back to the upside? Oh, I don't know. But let's say I'm long here as well. So I have two positioning that I'm long on. The others, there's nothing on the others, man. On the others that overstretched for me, I'm still looking for way deeper retracement than what these things can offer. Look at that. GJ is still neutral. GU overstretched. AUDUSD overstretched. Okay, I don't normally trade this one, but based on this, South African indices. Look at that. Yes. Trumpo, are you testing me? Ne? You are testing me. Yeah? Trumpo, please change this TikTok thing of yours. You're gonna look for a retracement above, man. It's not good for you. Mhm. Look at that. It's holding this support here. But I'm looking to go all the way up for me to get a bearish move. So, yeah. But anyway, that's it for me, man. I don't have a lot of mumbles today. Besides that, I'm positioned for trades. Here, there's nothing much that's gonna happen, to be honest. I just don't see any interesting move here. Just wasting my time. Um, yeah, there's nothing at all. So yeah, I think there's nothing much on the market, ladies and gentlemen. Again, positioning, I'll show you now. Where's my position? I don't like the spreads. Yeah. So as I change this TikTok. So yeah, I think that's the positioning that I have, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, let's wait and see, man. So that's it for me tonight. I'm tired. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call it a day, Ellie. There's nothing at all. Unless you want me to look, there's nothing at all here. Yeah, unless something happens, come back, take out that low, maybe. But for now, there's nothing for me. We are holding this five gap with that support area. Can we flip that? I thought we'll flip it here to look for continuation to that low, but seems to be not happening. So I don't think there's a need for me to stay on here. Yeah. Other than that, man, jump on YouTube, Facebook. That's where maybe you'll see my ideas and the trade ideas that I have. As I said, I've taken only two trades. I have GPP CAD longs. I have GPP longs. I have China 50. I also have this 50. So close 2 hours before closure. We might close like this. And if we close like this, I think we can have a continuation to the upside. So yeah, this is me, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, just to get the trade ideas that I take um, on Facebook, just jump on Facebook. There is a newsletter that I post once in a while. It looks like this, where I speaks about the macros and why I want to take a specific trade. Um, can see that I explained why my weekly trade ideas and macro news letter, what I'm looking for. But my main focus was Australian dollar against the the US dollar. So yeah, but I know. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I am not gonna take long on the stream. Have a great day, guys. Bye.